Hey everyone, Lucy here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to type equations in PowerPoint. So first open your PowerPoint presentation in your PC. After that, you will need to go to the Insert tab. In the end of this tab, there is a ribbon called Symbols. So here you just need to click on the equation button above that and a new tab opens. If you click on this, just right there are several symbols, mathematical terms or mathematical symbols here. You will see many of the matrix operators or these kinds of operators, or you can also get log and other different kind of mathematical items. So you just need to click on the one you need, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.